So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's objective is to learn the print function and learn more about the features of PyCharm. So there will be two parts of the print function. So today's video is the first part and the second part will be the next video. So stay tuned for that. And please subscribe my channel, like this video and follow my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook and Twitter. And let's get started. So first of all, you want to open PyCharm. I will direct you to the project page if you created one. If you did not, you will have to create one. So check my previous video in order to how to do it. Also, I have already set up the file and directory or folders. So if you don't know how to do it, please, as I told you, check my previous video. You will understand everything and you will know everything you want to know for this video. So guys, let's get started. So I'm going to test out a simple Python code to see if PyCharm is working or not. So this is just simple Python code. So what this is called a print function. What this is it will print out hello world, just simple hello world. So function function is a named section of a program that performs a specific task like print. The task of print is to simply print out a line to the screen. So that's what the feature or function of print is. In this sense, a function is a type of procedure or routine. So the functions are like used in every programming languages, no matter which programming language you are working on or using. So then, as you see this part, this is called an argument. So you're passing an argument in that print function. So in programming, argument is a value that is passed between programs, subroutines, or functions. Arguments are independent items or variables that contain data or codes. When an argument is used to customize a program for a user, it is typically called a parameter. So parameter is a placeholder of an value. So when we learn variables, then you will understand what is parameter and what is argument. But for now, this is how much you need to know. So now we are going to run this program. But before we run this program, so this argument hello world is a string. A string is a data type in used in programming, such as integer is a number, or float is a decimal number, and etc. We will learn about all of the data types in the future, because they will like coming be soon, because you will need to understand data types before we move on, because there are also a very important concept to learn. So in order to run this program or execute, go here, find run in the top left corner, click on run, then I'm going to again click on run, not the run that says run print, just that says run and has three dots after it. Click on it. It will ask you to which file do you want to run. You want to click the file that you want to run. So I'm clicking the file that I want to run, and I get the output, and I check that I get the right output. The output I was expecting was hello world, and I got that. So this is a correct output. So it means like Python is working in here. So arguments, you can have multiple arguments in this function, like in any function, or you can even have zero arguments. So if you have zero arguments and when you run it, so once you have done, click on this one, instead of just keep clicking here and going here, you can just click on this green arrow or green triangle and directly run it, and I get this blank because there's nothing. But I do not get an error, like when if I just delete the closing parenthesis and then I run it, I get this error. So I will create a different video when and it will teach you how to decode an error. So it will come soon, so please stay tuned for that. And you can have multiple arguments like this. Hello, you will have to use comma, then another set of quotation mark and world. And when you run it, the comma separates the two arguments, and when you run it, you will get this hello world. And there will be no comma. I mean comma, because because it is not here, it is outside of the quotation marks, so it will not be shown here. If you want to show it, then you just have to do it in one of the strings, and when you run it, it comes up. So guys, this is the end of part 2. I mean part 1. Part 2 is continued. So in the part 2, you will learn more things about brain, like more functions, like features of it and what can it do. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe and hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook, and I will see you in the next part 2. Till then, bye bye, have a good day.